Yeah, what's up, guys? Good evening. So, good day to you whenever you're watching this video. I want to quickly show you how you can create error message. What I mean by error message is that I believe you have the autoresponder and you want to, okay, let's say something like this now. You are running advert, you are running adverts like this. You say, like, my name is, my full name is um Mike Accolade. You are running ads like this, and people are coming like this. Hi, my full name is Michael Codate. Something. Normally, this is the message you get when you are coming to my DM for the first time. So now, let's imagine that you now do something like, okay, it says simply save my contact and reply with step one. Some people on enough they send sticker like instead of step one, you can see something like don't worry. So nope, reply with step one to continue. See, that's error message. Now, how can you do stuff like that? How can you create simple error message like that? So this is how to do it. So now let's say you're using the big boys autos. You mentioned now you're using the normal basic one. Like this is what I mean by the people. Like you have this code, you are using the pattern machine, like you're using the expert pattern machine and this code. So let's say you have this one and you tell them, the first step is that they come to your DM, you tell them to save your number and reply with particular thing. So now this particular rule, I tell them to reply with twos. So now let's go down to my and I go to the submenu. I create a star rule. Then this is the response for twos. Whenever they reply with twos now, they are going to get this one. So it's either they reply with twos, they reply with done, or reply with twos. Oh, you get. So when they reply with twos, they are going to get this message. You get. Now if they reply with anything different from these twos, they are going to get this one. No, that should be an error. That should be an error. Simply try the word twos instead. So I'm going to give you this one. You can just copy. Let's say your own prompt message is like, okay, when they come to your DM, they should reply with saved, or they should reply with done, or they should reply with step two, or they should reply with proceed. Instead of these tools, you just replace it with proceed. You get it. So anything that is different from proceed or different from done and save, it will not reply. It will tell you error. So that's what I mean by error message. So let's try to create something like that. So now let's say I'm copying this rule, or let me see, let's just duplicate it. No, I don't want to use this one. This one is having too many stuff that I paused before. Let me use this one now. Now look at this. Look at this. You can see this is the step one that I want them to follow. Look at this one. I said simply save my number as my calculator and reply with step one. Now look at the step one. I created the submenu. Then I create error message. Error message is just star. Star means anything. Anything that is different from that step one, that's what it will reply. That's when you need to correct them. You get. So now let's try to duplicate this one and create it from the scratch to see what I'm talking about. Duplicate rule. So now this is the duplicate. Let me off this one. This is duplicate. When you off this one now, you are going to see this message. But you're not going to see that error message or something. Like the submenu is not going to show. So let's say I want to create a submenu. How am I going to do it? What I'm going to do is that I just tap on this plus like this, and I add star. So star means anything different. So I just say error. Then what I want them to do, kindly reply with saved. Let's say I'm using saved this time around. Saved instead. Kindly reply with saved instead. So I usually put several stuff so that it will not be showing that one for all messages. So I put plus now. Let's say error this and that, error code. So simply reply this. Simply reply with this and that. So now you've already created error. Kindly reply with saved. Error occurred. Simply reply with saved. So you've created this one instead, like this. So you save it. See this error message. Then you create what you want them to see. Like like that save message. When they reply saved, what you want them to see. Create plus like this. So you now create saved like this. Then you put the message. Let's say this is the message I want them to see. I create it like this, then I go to submit. Now you can see it. We are having the error message and the saved. You get, so this is just the simple magic. So whenever I'm doing something like this now, let's say I want to edit this row instead of my full name, I want to put my WhatsApp name. So now let me on this one. I come to this place. See, I my WhatsApp name is Mike Accolade. Okay, let me see Mike Evans. Now I've already sent this one. You can see now. Oh wow, you got a nice name, Mike. I welcome to my DM. Blah blah blah. So now the stuff now told me that okay, reply with step one. So instead of step one, I've not replied with step one. We say okay. You see error. Kindly reply with saved instead. You get, so this is just the basic stuff. Now the main reason why it is showing twice. Let me show you why it is showing twice. So you just come to this place instead of like this one, this saved. Instead of choosing no, not this saved error, this error message. You can see I choose two. Instead of choosing all, choose random. So random, you pick any of them instead of all. Choose random. Save it. Let's test it again. Close. Come to this place. I my WhatsApp name is Mike from. So the message is going to pop up now like this. Then you say something like, alright, so let's say I said JJ. So error, kindly reply with saved instead. You can see now, you can now see that it's now stop replying twice. So only one will reply. So that's just how to create error message. It's just very simple as that. So even though you are not using pattern matching, some people that are using the starter automation, like the basic one, they won't have this code. They don't even know what it is. You get, so instead of pattern matching like this, or your own, you might use similarity match. Like similarity match is what you'll be using. That is anything that has to do with, let's say you are creating a WhatsApp link and you put something like, hello, I calculate, I want to know more about the training. My name is this and that. So, but you'll be using the similarity match. Similarity match is used for WhatsApp link number. You get, so if you are using what similarity match, you can still use the same procedure. You can still follow the same procedure. You get, so don't bother to copy all this code because it won't work for you even though you have the code. The code is not enough. You still don't know, understand what it's used for. You get, so that's just all. So thank you.